What's up, Liron here. Thank you for joining me in another video. If you've been following me over the last week or so, you noticed my voice is a little weird. I've been a little sick. And so today I thought I'd address a question I get all the time, but it's going to be a rather simple video for me to produce because I don't have much voice left, and tomorrow I have another art fair, which is something we're going to talk about soon, hopefully. And I want to preserve my voice. So basically it is what kind of tape I use for my watercolor paintings. So unfortunately I don't have a wider one to show you because that was the only one, the store ran out of them. But in any case, you can see it here up close. Sorry if I move the camera. That's the type of tape I use, and the main important thing is not the brand or anything like that. You notice it's the yellow type, and I always say it's the yellow type that you can rip off very easily. So if I go like this, I don't need scissors. I don't need scissors or anything like that. I just can rip it off. Now, this is the best kind of tape that I found. Now, I have another type that I use, and it's a bit of a paler white, but this doesn't work as well. And why is that? Because sometimes the paint seeps through the gaps. Okay, that actually happens with this tape, unfortunately, but with this one, it doesn't. So what I would encourage you to do is find that exact type that looks like that. Okay, it has a mild lines-like texture. I don't know, maybe I'll take a picture and show you later, but that it runs across it. So, and you have to really, if you tighten it properly, the paint won't seep underneath it, but with this one, it does seep from time to time. Now, what I want to show you is how to properly apply the tape and how to properly remove it, okay? Because it sounds simple, it sounds dumb, but a lot of people have a hard time with it, okay? So I'm gonna take you to the desk, we'll do this real quick and then wrap it up. So I have this small piece of paper with some weird wet in wet experiment I did. Now let me show you the tape once again a little more up close. So this one cost like 4 Israeli shekels, which is about, I don't know, $1.20 or something like that. And then I have this other paint that's a little inferior, I would say. I got this in the arts and crafts store, and I got this in just a print store. So this one's better. So let me show you how to apply it properly. And I know it sounds like simple. Sorry about the sirens outside, but I'm gonna take out some of it to the right size. Now what you want to make sure you do is that first I make sure that it's, you know, parallel to the edge. But in any case, what you want to do is you want to place it and tighten it from one side to the other like that, so that there aren't any bubbles. And then what I do is I really go over it, and here as well. So I tape it here, and I also go over it here. And why is it important here? Because that's where the paint may seep in. So if you just put it and go like that, that's not enough. You have to actually go over it, okay? That's how I do it. Now, to remove it properly, and I'm going to show you with a finished painting in just a moment, but basically you grab the edge and you work like this, as parallel as you can to the paper. You don't go up, because that may rip the paper off. You don't go like this. You actually go like this. And this will usually minimize the damage done. Okay, now let me bring a finished painting and I'm going to show to you how I take the tape off. So here I have a painting that I did, and I want to remove the tape together with you. I used actually the cheaper paper for this one, the cheaper tape, sorry. And let's see if it will seep through or it's okay. So you see how I'm taking it off like that? That's really important. Let's continue with the other sides, like so. Again, don't go like this because you hear it. It rips off the paper's surface. You want to be careful like that. And it looks like it's unharmed. Maybe we'll have, you see a little bit of leaks through here. I'm going to zoom in a bit, and hopefully you can see just a little bit of leaks around here, but that's fine. I probably didn't tighten it well enough. But aside from that, it's all good. And around the bottom is all good as well, okay? So this cheaper tape also can work well. But in any case, I know it's quite obvious, you know, how to put the tape, how to remove it, but it's just best practices that sometimes you're in a hurry and it's easy to forget or not pay attention to, but, you know, the frame of the painting is quite important. So if you mess that up, it's just a shame, and it just takes one more moment of concentration. But in any case, now we can wrap up this video. So this is it for this one. I hope you enjoyed this very quick video, just talking about the type of tape that I use. I've been asked this all the time. Now, don't forget that the other ingredients you use will also have meaning, will also have some importance. So high quality paper will rip less. 100% cotton paper is better than, you know, the pulp paper. Sometimes their surface more easily rips out. I think the paper that was worst when I tried not ripping it out was the Hanemule paper, but I was using a rather cheap version of it, a cheap grade, so can't really complain. I know a lot of people like it. But in any case, this is it. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you still haven't. I have tons of longer tutorials and videos. And again, sorry that this is a bit of a quick one. But in any case, I will see you again in another painting process real soon.